Today, we will learn some vocabulary related to communication. Say these words with your English voice. Read. Read. This is to look at words and understand what they mean. For example, I love to read books. Send. Send. This is to arrange for something to go or be taken somewhere, especially by post. I will send this book to my friend. Receive. Receive. This is to get something that someone has given or sent to you, especially by post. I will receive my new iPad tomorrow. Letter. Letter. A letter is a written message that you send to someone or receive from someone, especially by post, also known as mail. She wrote a letter to me for my birthday. Brochure. Brochure. A brochure is a thin book with pictures and information, usually advertising something. We got brochures from the company today. Postcard. Postcard. This is a card often with a photograph or picture on one side, which can be sent without an envelope. He sent me a postcard. Interact. Interact. To interact is to talk and do things with other people in many different ways. We always interact so well.